Hello friends, welcome to JavaIO tutorial. Now you are at the final part of the Java object stream, and this time we are going to perform deserialization. That means we are going to recreate object. Previously we drawn something like this. So it involves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line objects, and we know that there will be an array list to denote all these 6 line object that is written to the disk, and the name is lines.drw, I guess, on ctemp or dtemp2 folder. Alright, now we will read the content from that location. So the process now is deserialization. So this is how we started this sub-series. First we learned about serialization, then we talked about the example, then we talked about the need for a serializable interface, and we implemented serializable interface for our line class because it's our custom class, and we implemented serializable so that a line object can be streamed to disk. Later we handle the mouse events to actually perform the line drawing, show that in the graphic area, and at the same time store that as array list. Then we used ObjectOutputStream and its write method to perform serialization. So this is the key step here. Now we will be implementing the load or open buttons action, and here if you see, this is the input action, right? So previously we created a file output stream. Why? Because from our application we need to output something to the physical medium. Now the content is available in physical medium. We stored this in D drive, and we construct file input stream for this location. This is our serialized file. Serialized data staying in this file. So first we constructed file input stream, then we construct object output stream out of this file input stream. Then if you see, we are simply making call to read object, and we are typecasting that as a line array, and we are restoring the lines. One single step. At this stage what happens, this is our line content, right? We previously returned chain of data, which is nothing but our 6 instances of line object. Now we are reading that using the file stream, let's say A, and from that file stream we are chaining it with the object input stream. So it has the stream of information, and what comes out of these streams read object is actual array list that contains line instances. Here we have lines. We know what repaint will do. Since line array list is reconstructed, repaint will iterate through all the line instance. Each line instance it will revisit and performs the drawing. Alright, now it's demo time. We will go ahead and see the demo. So here is our NetBeans IDE and the design view. This time we are going to implement the open button click event. Events, action performed. Java.io file input stream, just importing the classes from our relevant package. Java.io object input stream. It will ask to handle the exceptions. Surround black with try catch. add catch class. That's all. We are done with it. So all catch classes are added. So these are all the code generated by our NetBeans IDE itself. What we wrote is only this piece of information. Of course, you can download the code from our video description. Now we will switch back. We will build this and we will run our JFrame. This time we will click open, and if you see, it read the content whatever we previously drawn. Now let's do some more retest. So saving it, closing the application, and I'm relaunching it. So you can see how user can perform periodic update to the content. So just now you saw the demo. By this time you may got a good idea of what is object serialization, and if you wondered how the line and graphic related applications are saved to the disk, so this sub-series gave you a good idea of how applications like drawing a line chart or drawing applications are saved to disk and then reopened from the disk. Thank you for watching. Bye.